Fort Myers Fire Academy. I'm Larry Daniels with E-ONE, and we're going to show you the new E-ONE HPS 105 steel aerial. It's the first steel aerial to be built by E-ONE and the first of a new product family that's going to join the very successful E-ONE aluminum product aerial line. This particular truck has a Cyclone 2 chassis with the ISX 12-liter 500 horsepower motor coupled with an Allison 4000 series transmission. On the fire pump side, it's a Hale Q-Max pump rated at 2,000 gallons per minute, and the truck has a 500-gallon water tank. This configuration actually qualifies as a quint. It has 185 feet of ground ladder storage as well. It's an all-extruded aluminum body with full height, full depth compartments down the left side. The right side has a side stacker hose bed design capable of carrying 1,000 feet of 5-inch hose. Up top, there's a 10 kW hydraulic generator that powers all of the 110 volt electrical system. The cab is the E-ONE Cyclone 2 cab. It's one of the safest cabs in the industry, a full 3/16 aluminum construction with extruded substructure. It is third-party crash tested and again one of the safest cabs in the industry. Seating is for 4 people in this particular configuration, 9/11 seating. And the truck has the Weldon VMUX electrical system that E-ONE uses on most of the apparatus we build. Much like the other products that we've built over the years, this truck has a 2.5 to 1 structural safety factor on the aerial device, which exceeds the NFPA requirement by 25%. This particular unit has a 500-pound tip load plus 75 pounds of equipment for firefighting and rescue capability at the tip of the ladder. There's a bolt-on egress at the tip that is available in a 10-degree slope or a straight configuration. The straight configuration allowing for the storefront nozzle setup, which allows the nozzle to go 45 degrees above center for working in low angles of elevation. The waterway flows 1,000 gallons per minute, and this particular truck has a task force tips nozzle at the tip, or a task force tips monitor at the tip, and naturally other monitor configurations and plumbing configurations are available. The E-ONE HPS 105 steel aerial device features fiberglass reinforced rung covers for durability with no with no rivets or screws that penetrate into the steel substructure. The steel used in the E-ONE HPS 105 aerial is Domex steel, 100,000 PSI for strength while keeping it lightweight, allowing us to build large ladder sections, wide and tall ladder sections for ease of climbing and comfort. One thing again to point out on the aerial design, similar to the E-ONE aluminum product, is the fact that all of your cables and shivs are among the largest in the industry. Again, for safety and the safety stability factor on operating the aerial, as well as tucked away to the outside and down low so that the walkway on the ladder device remains nice and clean. Keeping true to the E-ONE DNA on an aerial device, from the turntable down, it's much the same as you're used to operating on the E-ONE aerial. This truck features the crisscross underslung jacks and the integral torque box, which are industry exclusives for E-ONE. The simple operation allows the fastest aerial setup in the industry, and this particular truck is also equipped with the laser light guided jack pad system so that the laser lights are always pointing to where the jack pad's set, again to cut valuable seconds off of that setup time. The outrigger stance is only 13 feet 8 inches, so essentially if you can maneuver the truck into the situation and open the cab doors, you can fully deploy the jacks. The truck also features the new advanced aerial control system, which monitors the aerial device at the tip, monitors the aerial device at the turntable, and the truck functions from the comfort and safety of the turntable. The truck also features creeper controls and ladder tip controls, which allow an operator at the end of the ladder to be able to control the ladder in a creep mode function. This is accomplished with a momentary switch on the turntable and with foot pedal switches at the tip. So for increased safety, it requires 2 people to operate that, and if that sequence is interrupted, it does stop the tip controls. You can also control the monitor from the tip, and again the ladder tip controls.